Now the great coin trick. Place any coin onto the small mat. Take the magic tube, place it over the glass, and pick both of them up together. And place it over the coin. Now with a wave of your hands, magically the coin has disappeared. That's the great coin trick. Now this is a secret to the great magic coin trick. It's really easy when you know how. The glass does all the work for you, because on the face of the glass, when I turn it over, you can see there's a piece of paper which matches the paper on the table. Now at the beginning of the trick, it's really important that this glass is in the right position to start with. If it is to the side, the secret's given away, so make sure it's in the right place to begin with. Now to apply the paper to the glass is really easy. All you need is an extra piece of paper. You'll place the glass over the paper, take a pencil, and you'll then carefully draw around the glass, like so. Once you have done that, remove the glass out the way. You will then carefully cut round the piece of paper, and then you will be left with a circle. Then, obviously this piece won't be here, but you'd glue the edge of the glass, and then you'd press firmly down onto the piece of paper, but making sure the paper would be the correct way. Now as you can see, this is the color blue, so you'd have to make sure the other piece of paper was the same color as the one you're putting onto the glass. Otherwise it won't work. But when you have the glue on the glass, you will push down firmly and leave it a while to let the glue dry. And once that's into position, you will then be able to create the great magic coin trick. But you need one last thing. You're going to need the magic tube. Now the magic tube is really easy to make. Of course the tube must fit over the glass, and then trim it so it's nice and neat, and stick it down with some sticky tape. Now with the sticky tape, when you show your friends, will obviously be around the other way because you want it to look neat and tidy. And then all you do is to lift the glass and the tube together as one and place over the coin. And then with a magic wave of your hand, then lift the tube off, and the coin would have disappeared completely. That's the secret to the great magic coin trick.